So I'm here with some of the diehards at the last morning of Converge. Welcome to Tanium Tech Talks. I'm your host, Ashley McGlone, and we're covering the labs here at Converge this week. And so, guys, I have to ask, I heard there were zombies in the room.
Correct.
But before we talk about that, why don't you just give everybody your name and title real quick?
Sure. Mark, Tam of West.
Ben, also Tam in West.
James Klepico, Principal Escalation Engineer.
Principal Escalation Engineer. Is that a new title?
It is. It's a new title in Support Center.
Fantastic. All right. So guys, I've got to know what's up with the zombies.
We have processes that are the undead. We can't kill them, and they come back, and they're just causing problems with your endpoints. You know, tons of eating up your resources. You don't even know about it until you find them. There's already 20,000 of them. So. Yeah.
So does Tanium do chainsaws? Like, how do you take care of zombies?
We deploy the chainsaws down. We first find out where they are, then we deploy the mass chainsaws to cut them down. But also, as part of this lab, really, James was able to show all the customers the ability for us to not only use Tanium software to go find out the zombies and do something, remediate about it, but also in addition to that, really take in, Microsoft tools that are just available to all customers and be able to show them really, really detailedly how to find out if they're zombies and what they are, what are they doing, and prove it, ultimately that's causing problems in your systems.
So this is a lab then not just about Tanium tools, but things that people would have in their kitchen at home, so to speak, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
So
Tell us a little bit more about it. Yeah.
So one of the other things that we did is look at user mode memory issues, and then out of the detection of that, to then deploy to update that application.
And what was the title of this lab? We probably should have.
We find needles in haystacks.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So what kind of needles besides zombies were you looking for?
Application crashes. What else was there?
Memory issues.
Memory issues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Antivirus interference.
Oh, that's a big one.
And also looking at handle leaks within WPA, Windows Performance Analyzer.
Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. So what do you, from the feedback, how many times you guys run this lab this week?
This is our third time.
Okay. Yeah.
So far, it's been really positive feedback. Customers really want to see that. They want to get their hands dirty and understand what kind of interference their AV or security software actually imposes with Tanium.
Well, let's do a quick shameless plug here for the Tanium Performance Module.
Okay.
I know you guys live in that, so tell people what is the Performance Module and what do they get out of it?
The Performance Module allows you to track negative performance conditions. We call those negative performance conditions called events. It also allows you to look at historical metrics over time. So if an issue was to happen, it allows you not only to see the current metrics, but to go back in time to see how those metrics looked.
Fantastic. Well, guys, I appreciate you taking the time. I know we're wrapping up here. It's the end of Converge. Like I'm grabbing an airplane here real quick myself. We're going to be headed home after all these nights of barbecue here in Austin. So, we're going to be back in Austin next year. You should come join us and get to meet these guys and maybe become a Tanium zombie hunter.
Yep.
All right. Well, thanks, guys, and have a safe
Absolutely.
trip.
Cool. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Thanks.
Bye.